How you going, guys? Just got a quick video today on how to connect to Apple CarPlay on your Vhedia head unit. This is our G series, so the process is quite similar to M series, but we're just going to show you on the new device. So first step is to go onto the unit and tap this phone button. This will show up with all of the available Bluetooth devices that it can read nearby. If you're not seeing them yet, just tap the search icon there. So it's like the little magnifying glass. Just tilt this a little bit easy to see, and it will search and try and find some devices. Simultaneously, go on your Apple phone and go into Bluetooth, like so, and down the bottom is where new devices will pop up. So these will typically be called Vhedia GSX. I've got a few hooked up on test units in the office, but I'll guess it's this one here. If you're installing it at your house, you're only going to see the one. So it's going to come up with pair after tapping Vhedia GSX. I'll hit pair, allow contacts and favorites to sync, and it's going to take some time here. And then it's going to go on the units, it's going to switch to our Zlink app automatically. And then I'll ask you on your phone to connect to CarPlay, to which you just press connect. And there we go, that's Apple CarPlay up on the unit. So there we go, that little reminder comes up and we've got our CarPlay up and running as you'd expect it to. So that's how you do that. To go in and out of CarPlay, there's the home button on the side to get out of it, and Zlink here is our CarPlay button essentially. So pressing Zlink is how you're going to open up CarPlay whenever you want to go into it. And after you've done this initial pairing, it'll remember your phone as a Bluetooth device, and it's basically going to connect automatically every time you get in the car from then on. So that's how you do that, guys. If you have any questions or any issues in connection, then let us know and we'll be able to help you out. We've got our live chat on our website, our emails, and our phone support. Thank you very much.